Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōko ingoa. Today I've got a pronunciation tip to do with the America's Cup races that are coming up soon in March. And so this is the name of our New Zealand boat, Te Rehutai. So I'll tell you about the pronunciation of that in a minute. It's about the ocean, the essence of the ocean, the spirit of the ocean, invigorating and really encouraging and helping our boat to be great and determined. So that's the meaning behind it. You can look that up as well. It's kind of around those words. Te is the, and then this is Rehutai, Rehutai, Te Rehutai. And the main thing to remember is that these T's are both kind of flat sounds. It's not Te Rehutai, it's Te Rehutai, and that's just because that T is pronounced that way when it's got those vowels after it. And also the R is a little bit rolled. Te Rehutai, Te Rehutai, because if you're doing work with children around the America's Cup, it's good to pronounce our boat correctly. Ka kite.